Healthcare systems are under massive pressure. Staff shortages are growing, patient communication is becoming harder to manage, and operational workloads continue increasing across hospitals, clinics, and healthcare providers. And that's exactly why AI healthcare agent startups are gaining so much attention. Startups like Hippocratic AI, now valued at over $3 billion, are building AI-powered healthcare agents designed to handle patient communication, follow-ups, scheduling, and operational workflows at scale. Because the reality is simple. Modern healthcare systems cannot continue managing growing patient demand entirely through manual processes. And that's exactly what we're going to break down in this video. Why AI healthcare agents are growing. A large part of healthcare operations still depends on repetitive communication workflows. Appointment reminders, patient intake, follow-ups, prescription reminders, insurance coordination, support requests, and basic patient questions all require significant staff time every single day. As patient volume grows, these workflows become harder to manage efficiently. That creates longer response times, operational overload, staff burnout, and inconsistent patient experiences. And this is where AI healthcare agents are changing the model. How AI healthcare agent platforms work. AI healthcare agent platforms use voice and conversational AI systems to interact with patients in real time. These systems can help patients schedule appointments, answer common questions, send reminders, assist with intake processes, and handle routine communication workflows automatically. Instead of operating only during business hours, AI agents can provide continuous support and respond instantly across multiple communication channels. And that creates a major operational advantage. At this point, if you're planning to build something like this for your business, then connect with us at Code Brew Labs. We've worked with over 5,000 businesses globally, including companies building AI-powered healthcare and enterprise platforms in the past year, helping them launch faster and scale efficiently. If you'd like to get in touch, use the WhatsApp link in the description. It will take you directly to WhatsApp, where you can share your details, and our team will reach out to schedule a live demo at your convenience. Now, if you want to see how all of this actually comes together in a real-world setup, continue watching the video. Now let's begin with the AI-powered healthcare app. Once the user logs in, they arrive on the home page. It provides a personalized overview of their healthcare journey. At the top, the user is greeted with key health information and quick access to important actions. They can view upcoming reminders, recent health updates, and daily recommendations tailored to their profile. The home acts as a central hub, allowing users to stay informed about their health status while accessing the most frequently used features with just a few taps. Next, we move on to the AI Care Assistant. This intelligent healthcare companion allows users to interact with an AI-powered assistant through a simple conversational interface. Users can ask health-related questions, receive guidance, get recommendations, and access general healthcare information instantly. The assistant is designed to provide quick support, improve accessibility to healthcare information, and help users make more informed decisions about their wellness. Next, we move on to Book Appointment. This section simplifies the process of finding and scheduling appointments with healthcare professionals. Users can browse available doctors, view their specialties, check availability, and select a convenient appointment slot. The app provides a streamlined booking experience, helping patients connect with healthcare providers quickly and efficiently, while reducing the effort involved in traditional appointment scheduling. Next, we move on to health tasks. This section helps users stay organized with their healthcare routines and daily wellness activities. Users can track important health-related tasks, monitor progress, review completed activities, and stay on top of recommended actions. Whether it's medication reminders, follow-up activities, wellness goals, or routine healthcare tasks, this section helps ensure that nothing important is missed. Finally, we move on to Profile. This section contains the user's personal healthcare information and account details. Users can review and update their profile, manage personal information, access healthcare-related records, and maintain account preferences. The Profile section serves as a secure and centralized location for information that supports a more personalized healthcare experience throughout the app, And with this, we come to the end of the AI-powered healthcare app demo. Now let's move on to the AI-powered healthcare admin panel. As soon as the administrator logs in, they land on the dashboard overview, which provides a real-time snapshot of the entire healthcare operation. At the top, we can monitor total patients, AI conversations, appointments scheduled for the day, open care tasks, AI resolution rate, and overall patient satisfaction score. As we scroll down, we can track appointment trends throughout the week and monitor AI conversation activity, helping administrators understand workload, patient engagement, and operational performance at a glance. Next, we move on to patients. This section is designed to manage and monitor all patient records within the system. Administrators can search, filter, and review patients based on risk level, assigned doctor, and status. For each patient, we can view key information such as age, risk category, assigned physician, last visit date, and current activity status. Selecting a patient opens a detailed profile panel, providing access to medical history, appointment records, AI interactions, care plans, and other relevant healthcare information, allowing staff to manage patient journeys more efficiently. Next, we move on to appointments. Here, administrators can manage upcoming consultations and patient scheduling. The appointment list includes patient details, assigned doctors, appointment types, scheduled times, confirmation status, and priority levels. Administrators can quickly identify upcoming appointments, reschedule consultations, monitor cancellations, and ensure that healthcare providers maintain an organized and efficient schedule. Next, we move on to the AI Healthcare Assistant. This section monitors all AI-powered patient interactions taking place across the platform. At the top, we can track active conversations, escalated cases, human handoffs, and AI response performance. Each interaction is categorized by request type, AI status, escalation level, and resolution time. This allows administrators to monitor how the AI is supporting patients, identify conversations that require human intervention, and ensure that patient requests are being handled appropriately and efficiently. Next, we move on to care tasks. This section manages patient-related healthcare activities and follow-up actions. Administrators can track pending tasks, completed tasks, overdue actions, and priority care items. Tasks may include medication reminders, follow-up appointments, lab result reviews, treatment monitoring, and care coordination activities. This helps healthcare teams stay organized and ensures that critical patient actions are completed on time. Next, we move on to doctors and staff. This module provides a centralized view of all healthcare professionals using the platform. Administrators can review doctor profiles, specialties, experience, workload, assigned patients, and availability. Selecting a doctor opens a detailed profile panel containing professional credentials, patient assignments, schedules, and performance information, making staff management more efficient and transparent. Next, we move on to reports. This section provides operational and healthcare analytics across the organization. Administrators can review patient growth trends, appointment statistics, AI performance metrics, task completion rates, staff productivity, and patient satisfaction insights. Reports can be filtered by date range and category, helping leadership make informed decisions based on real healthcare data. Finally, we move on to settings. This section allows administrators to configure the platform according to organizational requirements. Settings include user access controls, password policies, login audits, session management, notification preferences, system integrations, and platform configurations. Administrators can also manage security settings, operational preferences, and system-wide configurations from a single location. And with this, we come to the end of the AI-powered healthcare admin panel demo. As you just saw, AI healthcare agents are changing how healthcare communication and operational workflows are managed. Platforms powered by AI can help healthcare businesses improve patient communication, reduce operational workload, and scale support systems far more efficiently. Connect with us at Code Brew Labs. We've worked with over 5,000 businesses globally, helping businesses turn ideas into scalable AI-powered products. If you'd like to get in touch with us, click on the link in the description. Fill out the form, and our team will reach out to discuss your specific requirements in detail. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more insights on building real-world AI products.